on 3rd or 4th of December? I thought you have exams today. I'm very happy that there will be no class today. Okay. Okay. So we'll start with today's class. Today is worksheet 1. All of you take out your rough practical copies and start writing. Today you have to finish the class. Today you have to finish the worksheet in the class only. I'll check it at the end of the class. Today we will start. So worksheet 1, the title is lettering. Have I taught you lettering, students? No, in the other section.
No,
the
ma'am.
lettering is.
No, ma'am.
So in the other
No, ma'am.
section, lettering is over. Okay. Okay. So any kind of work that students you're going to do, any component of the drawing that you want to represent here in this worksheet, you have to use some words, or you have to use some letters, you have to use some notes or dimensions. So earlier you were using some notes, like you were writing it was in which quadrant. So you were writing in first quadrant or second quadrant you were writing. Okay. So these are some writing which is expected. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, have you started the recording?
Hmm? No, I'll
Ma'am, have
record.
you
I'll
started?
record.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. So suppose we write first quadrant or second quadrant, or maybe we will write that this is the front view or top view. So what you people were doing most of the time, you were writing like this: front view. So this handwriting is fine. But students, there are many people who may not understand this handwriting. Okay. So what we do, we believe in a formal writing, but with some kind of a font and with certain dimension of the letters, maintaining certain gap, and we write front view. Do we have international students in this group? No? Okay. So in civil engineering students, we have a lot of Ethiopian students. We have a lot of students from Syria, from Mozambique, okay, from Sudan. We have students from different places, okay, mostly since they are a little bit of, they are developing countries, so they need these basic streams of engineering. Okay, so their handwriting is very difficult to read for us. So in every other country, so people have different ways of writing the F or the R. So to generalize or to standardize everything or to normalize everything, so we have this nomenclature. Okay. So nomenclature in case of lettering is very important. This was supposed to be a first worksheet, but we thought we will do it in the AutoCAD, but it's okay. So let us see what the nomenclature says. All of you write down a little bit. Main features, write down. Main features of lettering are legibility, comma, uniformity, comma, rapidity of execution. So if in the Viva we are in the exam, we ask you what are the main features of lettering, the first is legibility and uniformity and rapidity. Okay. Another important aspect of lettering is that lettering should be done freehand. Lettering should be done freehand with speed. So when I'm writing worksheet, I'm a bit careful. Okay, when I'm writing work. Okay, so there is no uniformity. If you see, there is no uniformity. This O is a bit small, W is a bit big. So there is no uniformity. So lettering will teach us how to write and how to write as per the nomenclature, restricting to these three features. Okay. Now let us start with some guidelines. All of you make a heading guidelines. The first guideline is spacing between letters. So lettering means what? You will write some sentence, okay, like this is the angle, that is the top view, this is the fifth quadrant, that is the ground line. So whenever you're writing a statement, right? So what will you write? So what will be the guidelines? First is spacing between letters is equal to 1/5 of the height. So let us write it mathematically. SL equals to H by 5. SL is spacing between letters. All of you write down. Second is spacing between words is equal to 3/5 of height. So mathematically, spacing between word equals to 3H by 5. All of you remember this? Just small 2-3 formulas are there, which you try to remember. I'll do one example, students, and we will see how these are applied. Just write down the values now. Width of letter is equal to 5/6 in times h. So we can write mathematically W is equal to 5 times h by 6. So these three formulas, students, you have to remember. Spacing between letters is h by 5. Suppose the height of the letter given in the question is 10. So spacing between letters will be 10 by 5 too. Okay. Similarly, spacing between words will be 3 into 10 by 5. So it will be 6. Width of the words, suppose it is 10. So 50 divided by 6 is how much? That will be the width of the letter. All of you write down these small terminologies. So when I'm saying spacing between letters means this is the spacing that I'm talking about. This is the spacing between the letters. S, L. So when I'm telling spacing between the words, then this is the spacing between the words. Yes or no? Okay. So when I'm saying height of the letter, yes. What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
Yes.
So this is the height of the letter, and this is the width of the letter. We'll write one sentence, students. This is for your understanding. There's nothing to understand. There are 3 parameters that we have to keep in mind when we are writing. Okay. So now suppose write down a question, all of you, similar to what is given in your question. Write down. So we have to write the statement: a black, say, cat. So we have to write this sentence, a black cat, and using this nomenclature. Okay, let us see how we can write it. So here, all of you write down. First is step 1. Here you have to draw guidelines using 2H pencil. Okay, so you have to draw guidelines using 2H pencil. Okay. Step 2 is finding the parameters. Suppose in the question it is given, you write down this sentence where letter height is 10 mm. Okay. So letter height is H is 10 mm. So we can find SL, SW, and W from this 10. Now quickly students tell me what will be the values. So quickly tell me what will be the spacing between the letters. What will
2
be the
mm.
spacing with the letters is 2.
2 mm.
Okay. Spacing between the words
6 mm. 6 mm.
6 mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Spacing between the words
50 by 6.
yes. And then what was the other parameter? Width of the letter.
25 by 3 mm.
25 by 3. You calculate and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is coming in point, we will round it up.
8.33 mm.
So we will round it up to 8, huh? Because it is less than 5. So 8 mm. Okay. Now we'll draw the guidelines. Okay. So all of you use 2H pencil to draw the guidelines. So first we will try to analyze step 3. So step 3, let us do the divisions. Okay. So our statement is a black cat, right? Your statements will be big, huh? Not this one. So first we have one letter. So this letter will be space. Width of the letter is 8, right? So this will be 8. Spacing between words is 6. So this will be नहीं छोटा हो गया थोड़ा इस तरह बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. Okay, let us do here. Say this is 8. This is 6. Okay. I'm just writing it in a rough way, students. This is a spacing between the words. This is 10. Width of the letter is 6. Sorry, width of the letter is 8. Spacing between the letters is 6. Then we have B. This is 8. Spacing between the words is again 2. Sorry, letters is 2. B. Then this is L. This is 8. Okay, then again 2 ka gap, A, again 2 ka gap, B, L, A, C, this is again 8, 8, then 2 ka gap, this is K, 8, 2, again gap of 6, then C, again A, D. Okay, let's send it here. Okay, so the 6, this is again 8, 2, 8, 2, 8. So just you can leave a gap of 6 here. Okay. So here, students, I'm trying to divide just casually, just in a rough, I'm trying to divide. So I have how many letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 letters here and 3 words. Okay. So you have to draw the division in your rough. Okay. Now I have a 3-word statement, a small line I have. Okay. You might be having a long sentence. So accordingly, you have to make sure how you have to write, or you can turn your paper. You are all are using A4 size. So you have to write from this end to this end. Okay. Accordingly, you have to space your sentence. Now let us start writing. Okay. So these are the divisions: 8, 6, 8, again 2, 8, 2, whatever, 6, 6. Okay. Let us now divide.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, as we
What
have
happened?
taken width, ma'am, as we are taking width and all, is there any specific length we will take off in each character?
Length is length, not width of the letter is given, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, width of the letter is
8.
8.
Yes,
Spacing
ma'am.
between word is 6. A और B के बीच में गैप रहेगा 6. K और C के बीच में गैप रहेगा 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll just draw. So our letter height कितना है? Letter height तो हम लोग भूल गए, ये 8 है. Letter का sorry, ये 10 है. This is 10. So let us quickly take the 2H pencil. So now this is my fair work. This is what you will be finally submitting. Don't write these steps. These are for your explanation only. Don't write this one. This is what you have to show. So let us quickly draw the line. Okay. So now we'll just quickly go on dividing. So first is 8. So let us take the 8. Then gap is 6. Then gap is 8. Then it is this is 8, no? 8. This is 6. Then it is again 8. So now let us draw. So I have taken 2 millimeter gap. So we have to maintain a gap and write. Okay. Okay, so when you're writing, students, so this is 10. This is 8. This is 6. I'm just writing briefly here. This is 10. This is 8. This is 6, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8. likewise you have to do. I'm not completing it. A black cat is what you have to write. Now, this is all in 2H. So now in HP, I'll write. So whenever you're writing the letter should touch the boundary of this guideline. And your guidelines should be in 2H. Okay. सब सो गए क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I thought I am only writing ABCD.
No, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. In this you have
Ma'am,
doubt?
the numberings that you have given, do we need to write that as well? Like denoting
No,
the
no, no, no.
spaces?
Don't write that. Don't
Okay.
write that.
Okay. ma'am.
No, just don't write this one. Okay, your lettering should not look like this. Let me tell you one thing. Suppose I'm writing here. Okay. It should not look like this, huh? So here the letter is not clear. You're writing H. This is H. This is 2. Or there are 2 squares here. Huh? It's not visible, huh? This is C or this is D or this is O. It is not clear. Don't write like this. Write like this. Don't mention these numbers, huh? Don't mention these.
Ma'am, then do we have to show our calculations there? S, L, S, W, and W?
What should we do? Should we show? I'm just thinking. Not required. No,
Okay.
no, okay. No, do one thing. You show that, huh? That is better. So
But I think
what
that
we can
would
do
give
is,
us a idea
yeah,
about the actual spacing and
yeah.
would be
So you
helpful.
can just write problem number 1, and given letter height you can write. Given letter height is, suppose it is 12 mm. Okay. Then so quickly you can write spacing between words. SW is equal to S spacing between letters equals to width of the. I think you write and then you start writing. That will also give you some gap, right? So you have 4 or 5 questions, no? Okay, so this was capital letters. Okay, suppose you're given number. Like suppose you're asked to write the mini. So suppose you're right to you're given to write some numbers, say even numbers. Okay, so in the question it is given. In the question 2 is given write even numbers. Even numbers 0 to 10, sorry, 1 to 10 of height, say 15 mm. So height of the even numbers is 15 mm. Okay. So when we are writing the numbers, tell me what is the S, W, S, L, and W here?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, now we have to do this in rough or in a A4 sheet paper.
You will do A4 after I stop explaining you.
Okay, so now we have to just write the questions
Now
and
you
afterwards.
now I'm explaining you. This you can write in a rough practical records, which I have told you to maintain already.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No, your worksheet questions are there, which you will do. That is formal. And you know, I do not do any of the worksheet questions. I'll always do everything outside that. Okay. So here, height of the numbers is 15. If the height of the numbers is 15, tell me what will be SW. I know it is, let us make SW because SL is less, right? And W. Tell me what will be SW and W here.
SW9. 9.
Hmm. And W is
12.5.
12.5.
I'll take it 12, huh? Okay. So what we will write, you have to create just gap. So you have to write only even numbers, right? So width of the letter is 12. Spacing is 9. 12, 9, 12, 9, 12, 9. Okay. So you can write just 2. Then you have O. Then we have 6. Then we have 8. Okay. Even numbers. So you have maintained the letter height as 15, width of the letter, width of the number as 12, and the gapping between them is 9. Okay. Capital letter over, numbers over, and then we will start small letters. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, these 2, 4, 6, 8, we have to consider it as a letter or a word.
See, if you consider it as a letter and write, the spacing will be very less. Okay.
Okay.
It will be like, 2 and then 4 and then 6. So it will look like there will be hardly any gap visible. So if you take it as a word and write, so this numbers, you consider them word. Okay, not consider them word. What I would say, the spacing you take as spacing between words. Spacing between letters is less. So SL is always less than SW, right? So you take
Yes, ma'am.
SW. So this you take SW only in case of this numbers. All of you join again.
Recording stopped.
Let us start with lowercase letters. Students, earlier a lot of importance was given to handwriting. Okay. So, but nowadays handwriting is not given much importance. Okay, I was just reading that somewhere in Facebook. So nowadays I've seen many students don't have very good handwriting. I just wonder, you don't get to write those cursive handwriting copies. You don't have to fill them in the summer vacation. So we were almost given 2-3 books to finish. Okay. So I just wonder.
Yes, ma'am. We were
Ma'am,
also
could you
given
please start the recording?
रिकॉर्डिंग, सबको रिकॉर्डिंग से मतलब है? अरे मेरा रिकॉर्डिंग यूट्यूब में किसने अपलोड किया है? हाँ,
You're recording on YouTube.
yeah, I don't know, because you should not, I don't know, you have done, the other sections have done, but you should not upload like that, huh? Without the permission of the teacher. Though there are some likes and I also like the video. After my class, there was biology class. That was also recorded. Why they're teaching you biology, God knows. Okay, might be required. If you get fungus in your laptop or computer, you might need biology. Okay.
Pretty much, ma'am.
So, so that those videos, actually at times what we do in presentation, we put some figures and all. So whenever you're using, so you're new to engineering, when you will go ahead in engineering and do some research work or something, but even you're using somebody else's work, you have to cite them. So I think if any one of you watch KBC, when they show some image, Amitabh Bachchan immediately tells that it is from Amar Chitra Katha or that is from Discovery Channel or something like that. They immediately cite the source. In my teaching, I have not cited any source, okay? But I'm going on showing the images that I have got from Google or from Slideshow or from NPTEL. I'm showing that to you, which is wrong, okay? So, anyways, there is another teacher whose name is Ipshita Panda ma'am. Okay, my name is Ipshita Mohanty. So her students, so she asked her students, how do you, how do you did this worksheet? I did not explain it to you and you were absent. Then she said that I saw your video, ma'am. Then she was curious. She said I don't have any videos in the YouTube. Then she found my name and my photo there. And then so that's how I came to know.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so let us start now. So lowercase letters. So lowercase letters, I think all of you must have come through the copies which have 3 lines. Okay, they were very irritating. I really hated them, but that is used to write lowercase letters. Okay. If you remember, students, there were 3 lines. So these are the red ones. Then there was another, this gap. And then you used to write here, cursive writing. No? If you remember, these are the type of, kind of
Yes,
ruling
ma'am.
that you have.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, okay, let us start. Let's choose some good, nice and short sentence. A black cat, a white dog, a brown dog. Okay, we'll write a brown dog. A good house, we'll write. Okay. So let us write the statement, a good house. Okay. So what we will do, suppose the height of the letter given in the question is, say suppose the height is 12. Okay. So in the question, the height is given 12. Just a second. So what we will do, so what is the division of these lines? Okay, what is the division of these lines? Okay, so what we will do, this small division in height is equal to, say we take around 30 to 35%. of height. Okay. 30 to 35% of height is the small division. So if I make a 30% of this one, so I get around 3.6 mm. I will round it up to 4 mm. So what will I get? The resulting will be, line will be, this will be 4 mm. This will be 8 mm. And this will be 4 mm. Okay. So this will be 4, 8 and 4. Okay. So why this is 4, 8 and 4? This is 4 mm, 8 mm and this is 4. Now suppose I'm writing A. A. So now this A, what is the height of this A? 8 plus 4, 12. Which is the question. So this is correct. Now suppose I have to write G. So what will I do? G. This is my G. So this is 8 plus 4. This is 12, which is my requirement. But there will be some words like O. Okay. Now O is 8. O will be 8. Okay. So what the other faculties they do? They stretch it like this, and they write it like this. But I prefer it like in some book that is given. They write the O as it is. Huh? A good house.
Ma'am, C will be 8. C.
C. C भी तो छोटा ही होगा. C also will be small. C. Even house I'm writing na. H will be fine. But the problem will be with this one. Suppose a good child I'm writing. So the one with extensions, the words with extensions, I think they are coming to 12. But these alphabets like C, O, U, okay, they will be 8. Okay. So this is how you have to write small letters. Yes, you have to maintain the width of the alphabet and the spacing between the alphabets and the spacing between the words. So this is the width of the word, this is the spacing between words, and this is the spacing between the letters. This is all you have to maintain in the 12 mm. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a last question. Ma'am, how we write E?
I will not answer your question. E.
Yes, ma'am, E.
A भी वही होगा, 8 ही होगा. How can we write probably? Actually, this has a lot of doubts in this one. I also have. Nothing is clearly given actually in this one. Can you write it like this? No.
Ma'am, E will be just like C. Like in C, we'll just add.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will come under 8 or 12.
What happened?
Ma'am, I will come under 8 or 12.
I will be 12, not a problem, because you're giving this dot, no. I will be 12, not a problem. But इधर problem क्या होगा? Is your letters or your alphabets will be very thick. Like ये I मैंने ऐसे लिखा है, लेकिन ये ऐसे ही होगा. आपका जो गैपिंग कर दोगे ना, आप जब गैपिंग करोगे ना, ये पूरा ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. I. Gapping, that looks a bit bad. Okay. All of you start writing now. So remember, as I told you, 2H and HB. The guidelines will be in 2H and the writing will be in HB. Why? Because it will not look good if you write in, and the letters will look very clumsy and close to each other. All of you start writing.
Recording stopped.
Sir has not corrected. Okay, I had told him he is not very good with the computer and this thing like me. So he has not corrected. Okay, I told him to correct it because it's already like lot many sheets are there. At a time, if you correct, तो दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा ना.
Ma'am, do we have to draw in landscape or in portrait? The worksheet
That was
one.
the question. Just a second. Let us go to the questions. Okay, so now if you see in your questions, it is written here. See, all of you, it's visible. Engineering graphics exercise 1 or the worksheet 1. So it is written types of letter, single stroke letter, Gothic letter. So these are some guidelines which is given, which I've already told you. Now the questions. See the questions. So you have to write 0 to 9 in 10 mm height. This there is no doubt in it. I told you to write, I wrote even numbers. So you have to write the complete number set from 0 to 9, including odd and even. Question number 2, write engineering drawing is the language का spelling गलत है students, correct कर लेना. Engineering drawing is the language of engineers. Okay. So this you have to write using single stroke vertical lower and upper case of 12 mm height. Okay. So तुम लोग अपर केस में तुम लोगों को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, लोअर केस में तुम लोग थोड़ा गलती करोगे. That I know, but you please be careful in writing. Okay. Engineering drawing is the language of engineers. The third is a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. ये आपको कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है 12 mm हाइट में. ठीक है. So 2A and 2B, 2A में आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है क्योंकि वो लोअर केस है. Rest all will be fine. No? A quick brown
Ma'am,
fox
question
jumps over the
number
lazy.
two ma'am, question number 2 is it like the first letter we have to write in uppercase and the other letters are in lower? Is it like that?
No. It 2 contains single stroke vertical lower and uppercase letter of height 12 mm. एक पूरा आपको अपर में लिखना है, दूसरा वाला पूरा आपको लोअर में लिखना है. Yes, the starting word will be capital. Suppose you are writing engineering drawing, E will be capital, first one. And all of you start writing now. And I'm sure you will have a lot of doubts while writing. That's why take out your A4 size paper, write your roll number in one of the corner. And I think you might have to write in the landscape mode, because if you see the sentence is very long. Okay. Engineering drawing, how many words are there? How many letters are there? So it will completely, I think it will come in 2 lines, not in 1 line, right? All of you write now, and I'm sure you will have a lot of doubts, so you can ask me in the class. Huh? All of you start writing. In case you have any doubts, you ask. Huh? Students, are having any doubts with respect to the class or anything? I know for evaluation, I think it's high time that I just ask her to do all of the correction. I'll just pressurize him to finish it this week. I think only points is corrected. I was checking lines, planes, and any activities there. Because many students are joining late, na? Maybe that is the reason they have just shifted the mid-semester exam.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I don't have 2H pencil, ma'am.
I didn't get you. What happened?
Ma'am, I don't have 2H pencil. I'm just having HB pencil.
So if you are using the HP pencil, the impression that you will make on the paper should be light. Okay. So be careful when you're drawing.
Ma'am, do we have to finish the worksheet and submit now?
Yes.